Hello guys, today we'll be talking about static variables and static methods. To begin with, what do we mean by static? Static, when added, the variable or the method becomes a class variable or a class method. To explain more about this, we already identified the instance variables before, and we said instance variables are the object variables. Static variables are the class variables. What do we mean by that? I would like to show you what do we mean by that. So first, I would like to remove the word static from here. So this variable becomes an instance variable again, and I will disable this method. Now we need to go back to this program over here and check we have instantiated 4 objects. I will be calling the method my name is and add to it the variable instance variable count to print the value of count. So over here I'll say p1 dot speak and then run the file. You will notice over here in the output screen my name is Hamdan1. Let's do with 2 p2 dot speak, and it will also show my name is Hamdan1, my name is Farid1. So each of these objects, p1, p2, p3 and so on, will take a copy of int and have its own instance variable as count. We instantiate it will be added to 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 for the first object. The second object 0 plus 1 will be 1. But when I turn it to a class variable, look, adding the word static, it's not a variable that is related to object anymore. It's related to the whole class together. So the total will be for both. Let's run the program again. Now you can see my name is Hamdan 4, my name is Farid 4. So both now got the value of 4, which means the number of objects I have instantiated. So it's now turned to be a class variable, not an object variable. Same thing applies to methods. This method over here without the word static is a method that for the object. Once you add the word static, this method becomes a class method. What do we mean by a class method? Class method means it's accessed by the class name. So once I type the class name person dot, and I can call the method lihu print count. I can run the file now. Here. Type, can I call it using object? Yes. It can be called using object and using the class name. Okay, I hope you understood what is the difference between static variables and non-static variables. There is a task that you have to do afterwards. Thank you very much.